In this video, I am going to show you how to use Facebook event setup tool. No coding is required when using the setup tool. The setup tool is very easy that anyone can use it. Today we will see how we can do custom event setup with the event tool. So without further delay, let's get started. First, we need to go to Business Manager. I will give the link to the Business Manager in the video description box. After coming to Business Manager, we need to go to Data Source to Pixel, and here is my one pixel, and we need to go to now open in Event Manager. Here is data source, and this is the data source, and here is the data source. This is my one pixel, and now we need to go to for the Facebook event setup tool. Click at events and go to from the pixel. Must be pixel connected to the website. If not pixel connected, then you can watch this video of mine. Video link I will give in the description box. And here is connect to website activity using pixel setup tool, and go to open event setup tool and website URL. Now copy your website URL. This is my website URL. Copy and paste here and open website. The event manager tool will automatically bring you to the home page of your website, and as you can see, here is a pop-up. Just go to next and get started. And as you can see, here is Facebook event setup tool. Now I am now if you want to tracking your add to cart, just as you can see, here is you can track any pages. Just track new button, and as you can see, its button is highlighted. You can any page track you can by just clicking, and I am tracking my add to cart. Just click add to cart and go to select event and add to cart. Choose value and page. This is our value, and also we can skip it. This is our value, and USD currency, and confirm. Our add to cart track has been successfully, and here as you can see, setup complete. Now go to any product page, and I am tracking this product page is product page. This is common. Okay, and go to track URL and select event. Select event is add to cart initial purchase, and track or view content. View content. Don't need below, and track the enter URL. Person URL equal is to URL contents, or URL equal means to for this particular product. Okay, now remove the product name, only product. Okay, confirm, and product page is complete, and we need to go to add to cart. Go to add to cart, view cart, or is even not showing. Just back, and it's showing. Forward, and this tool is sometimes this tool is not showing. I don't know. This is Facebook lags. I'm just reloading. Facebook event tool has come. and I want to remove a one product, and I want to track cart page. This is my cart page. Okay, cart page URL, and I want to track this cart page. Track URL, select event, and also go to view content and choose value on this page. This is value. This is total value. This is total value, and our currency is USD dollar. Okay, now confirm. Now I'm tracking proceed to checkout. Now tracking checkout page. Okay, go to track URL, select event, initial checkout. This is initial checkout page. This is initial checkout page. Is go to URL equals, because this is a single page, and we can track or choose value. Choose value means totals. Just click choose value and it's collected, and confirm. Now parsing these details for the new tool. Parsing details I have already put here. Just place order. And now I'm tracking a checkout page. Track URL, select event, purchase page, and this is a order receipt, and this page will be URL contents. Remove the checkout for the reason we are already have checkout page under them, and this is URL content. Just leave order receipt. Okay, then is below initial checkout, and choose below. Okay, this is recommended, we can leave it, and USD, and order receipt. Why not? It's missing. Reset URL, order receipt. Just remove, leave checkout / order receipt and confirm. And here is our even add to cart initial checkout purchase view content 2. Okay, this is cart page, and this is product page. Now if you are track your search event, you can type here anything and enter. If you want to search, track your search page, event manager, it's now right. Just reload for the event manager tool, it's come, and event manager track we can track, but it's not working. Please ESC ESC button is not working, so we can track anything, and but we don't need, just cancel it. Track URL, select event is search, and URL is contents, and just leave it. Just remove the equal h. This is search URL in. Okay, this, and we need to, you can choose below, but we need to it's not mandatory, don't include currency USD. Just confirm. Okay, we can see here is more event tool. Okay, just I'm checking. Add to cart initial checkout, lead page, purchase, payment info, add to wish list. We can track our wish list page. Okay, now showing how to set up wish list page. Go to your wish list page, So this is wish list page. Okay, this is our wish list page. Just wait for event tool manager slowly. Reload for the event manager tool. It's not come. Sometimes it's settings. Then now it's come. Okay, go to events on this page, track URL. We can URL equal, and this is event manager tool. Where is where is wish list? This is wish list. We can choose below, but here is not all below are showing. For the reason, don't include below. Confirm. And if you want to track your contact us page, you can easily track contact us page. You can easily track new button. You can easily track any page. Contact us page. Select event is contact page. Confirm. Okay, I'm checking it's perfectly working or not. I'm not sure. It's contact us page. Okay. Or you can track other lead from payment info, add wish list, complete registration contact, customize product, find location, schedule, search, start trial. Okay, customize product. Customer product is not working perfectly. For the reason I'm cancelling. This is I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 events. Okay. Now I am now finish setup and finish, and you can skip or yes, anything you can do. Submit and done. Now go to your event manager and go to test events, and here is put here your website URL and go to open website. This is for test event. Our event is perfectly working on or not. And this is page view, it's working. This is page view, and if you want to add any product, add to cart. Go to, and as you can see here is add to cart, or add to cart product is trigger is add to cart. Okay, and go to view page. This is our view page. Proceed to checkout, and as you can see here is showing view content. Here is view content for the cart to page. Event are working. This page view are for all pages. This is our I have come to checkout page. This is our initial checkout page. You can see here is my checkout page, and here is put your details, place order. And as you can see, go to event manager and purchase. Purchase is successful. Checkout order receipt. This is our order ID. Okay, purchase successful. Go one thing. Add to cart. Go to page view. Wish list this product, and go to wish list page, and as you can see here is add to wish list page now working, and go to checkout We can see here is correctly. Second. Okay, now I am trying to search. Yeah. And this is our search page, and as you can see here is search now working. Okay, I have put the age. Now drag to contact page. Now our contact page is mismatch. Okay, don't worry, you can fix easily. So we saw how we can set up event through the event tool. So this was today's video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give your feedback. Thanks for watching.